Today, I'd like to talk about a subject that we normally don't think about when we talk about depression or other forms of sedentary lifestyle or um, unhealthy um, mentality. It's about the use or non-use of uh, your brain, and it's often um, said to be use it or lose it. There are this I found this out when I first found that when they do researches on the brain of people who die from following a depressive episode, somehow their death was related to being depressed. Their brain, a part of their brain, is somewhat smaller, and that makes people who are depressed feel bad because they might appear that people think people who are depressed are less capable because their brain is small. But you can look at it another way that by being depressed, in effect, you will shrink your brain. And this is being studied in different ways. And I want to share with you something that is also confirmed by a professor, Dr. McCullough of University of California. Not that I like to share from a professional researcher material from them because then we have something to base on and not just guessing around in what we're talking about. And looking briefly about this, so it practically say you need to be active and use your brain. If you don't, your brain cells will get damaged in different ways. Either some cells die off, or cells just lose some of their functions. And we're talking about brain cells. So then, and I think cell is like a person in itself and it need to be active and nourished and exercised. But we can talk about that in a different video so we don't go off topic here. Let's look at what Dr. McCullough has to say. Um, According to him, research in brain plasticity has proven that your brain continues to make neurons or lose neurons. And key factor or ingredient necessary for improved brain function or reverse functional decline is the how you engage in task in your everyday life. And there are fitness programs for us to use to improve our brain function.